I actually put on my list, my family asked me for a Mother's Day gift list, and I keep a running gift list for everything.
Brilliant.
So I could always just pull it out and be like, here, and I wouldn't need it for Mother's Day because it's very expensive. But I was like, I really want a new Canon camera, maybe for Christmas, maybe my birthday, something big, right? So it's on my gift list right now. And the number one reason why I want a new Canon camera is the Wi-Fi.
The Wi-Fi is the greatest feature. I cannot talk enough about it because it finally gets the photographer from behind the camera to in front of the camera. So you and I can finally be in those family photographs. We can own them, we can take them. And your favorite part too, sharing on social media instantly. It's best.
I really hope, and I'm pretty sure they didn't get me the Canon camera because there's no way that they were able to find it at this price. This sale price is not around for very long. It is brand new today, and for $449.96 for not only the camera, 2 lenses, the case, software, strap, battery, all of that included at $449.96. I kid you not. I've been to outlet places where like seconds and returns. This is a lower price than any of those things for just one camera with one lens, and this has the extra lens. Here's everything you're getting. In fact, the price here would be $876. You're getting it home for $420 less. That's almost half price. Now, this sale price will not last for long. We don't even have a whole lot of these to begin with. And 6 easy payments is $74.99. You see a red in that picture, that's gone. Black's all we have, but that's all right. It doesn't matter because what matters is the color and the pictures that you're going to get from this.
Yes, so think about it, Mother's Day. A lot of times you get to see those family members you don't see all year long, and somebody has to raise their hand and say, I'll sacrifice being in the photograph so we can take that great shot. No more. So what I've done, because the camera is Wi-Fi, I can put it on a table, I can put it on a tripod, I can put it on a picnic table, quite frankly. And then you and I could do you want to take a picture of the two of us? Walking back, and just imagine that, you know, when you get everyone together, what you'll see is we are actually taking the picture from the Canon camera, and you can tell right here, we're going to be a little too close, but that's okay. You don't mind crouching down with me, do you? All right, so imagine we're by the fireplace. There we go. Here's a new way to take a picture, right? We're going to take the picture. We're going to look at the camera, and we're taking the picture from the Canon camera. So you could be outside, you can be indoors, you can be outdoors. Here's that photograph. How did I do this with Wi-Fi? I download a free app. It goes to your tablet, it goes to your smartphone, it goes to any Android device. You take a picture right there from the camera wirelessly, and from there we can share with the world.
I was even able to squat in these shoes. That was pretty impressive. I was able. That's yoga right there.
Yeah.
These are Vince. Aren't these Vince? Aren't they cute? They're
they
darling, right? Good with the pants, too. They happen to be Vince, by the way, too. By the way, free shipping and handling for you today. 6 easy payments work out for you today at $74.99. It's a sale price, not going to be around for very long. It's nearly half price at $420 less. The reason that we have been Canon people, and actually before I came to QVC, when I was in news and we actually had a production company, we used Canon cameras to shoot commercials. We did an entire thing for Hawaiian Airlines. I mean, all on Canon cameras because they are the best. Not only for the pictures they take, but the video as well. And this camera, when you get into it, you know it's the best of the best. It can grow with you. It can use all the different lenses from Canon. You can use them forever and ever and ever. And then the Wi-Fi just takes it to a whole new level. Well, part of the reason I love it. Go ahead.
No, sharing. I just love what you say about the Wi-Fi. I mean, sharing instantly. We're getting those pictures out from behind the camera and getting them on Facebook. You're getting them on Twitter. You're getting them on Instagram. So here you go. If you just look on my iPad.
Even just being able to not have to. Oh, look. You're like, what's going on there?
Ooh, how did she do that? How did she get it from here to there?
But even not just having to wait till I get home and plug into my computer with a cord to be able to do it, kind of, you know, we're instant gratification nation these days. Works really well as well. And I've seen people actually take their own photos, kind of hide their tablet or their phone, take the picture so you can't even see that you're using it. The other thing that this does so well are things like sports, movement, low light, all of those.
Yes, we love low light. You know, that used to be a situation that was so challenging. The pros really were the only ones who knew how to make those calculations. But we have something known as a sensor. It is ginormous. In this camera, it's collecting buckets of light. Your cell phone is like little Dixie cups. So if we bring the lights down, what I'm going to show you on the top of my dial, and it's important to know, feast your eyes on that green button. Green means go. That is fully automatic mode, but I twisted it just once and you will see flash off on the back of the camera, so you have your confirmation. I think instinctively we all want to pop that flash on. I'm going to ask you to do the opposite. What I've done is I have a flameless candle right here for Kirsten.
Oh, thanks.
So when we put that on, just think about the birthday parties when you have a flicker of a candle, churches, pageants, all of those events where they really don't want you to have that low lighting flashlight, but because the camera can compensate, I just need to flicker that little candle, and I'm gonna get some really awesome shots of Kirsten. And what I'm gonna do, I hit the playback button on the back of my camera. You're gonna see in the gorgeous 3-inch LCD, awesome pictures of Kirsten with a beautiful glow, dewy skin, natural skin tones, 1, 2, 3. And you can take the background, the foreground, all of those details are included instead of being blown out like so many other cameras or even your cell phones do. So this is about stepping up your imaging game, giving you professional results in an easy-to-use camera.
It's a great one for graduations. It's a great one for Father's Day, and part of the reason why is it's included in this is I think it's over $100 value for Better Photography 101. A lot of people are doing the side hustle and making photography they're something that they make money from. This is an online course that people actually pay over $100 to take and learn how to be a better photographer. It's included in what we're giving you here today in this package, which is fantastic. I cannot wait to see that course. That's coming along with it. You're also getting the extra lens, you're getting the bag, you're getting the strap, you're getting the cords, you're getting all of this included. It's an $876 value that you get for $420 less. It's brand new today. It's on free shipping and handling that saves you another $14.76. Now is a really good time. You're going on those trips. My in-laws are taking my 2 oldest girls, my daughters, on a trip to the Grand Canyon and a dude ranch over the summer. Those memories that they've been waiting years to make, you want to be able to capture that. Today it's at a better price than you're ever going to find it, really. A very good sale price. Today it's on 6 easy payments and free shipping and handling. You can't trust memories, new babies, events. We just had first communion. Whenever it's something important, for sure I'm pulling out the Canon camera, because that's how you're going to capture it. I'm not blowing up a cell phone picture and putting it on my wall. I'm not trusting that picture to get the movement and the light. But the Canon, yes, it will.
Well, you know, when you hand someone a real photograph from a real camera, something happens. They transform, they light up because they feel as if they were there living that moment. A cell phone is blurry, it's grainy, it's dull. You don't have any of that feeling embracing you. This is about stepping up your imaging game. If you're someone who liked your cell phone because it's easy to use and because you want to post it on Facebook or text, now Canon addresses all of that, but the best part is the original image is Canon image quality, just like the pros. You're not hanging up pictures around your house from your cell phone.
Right.
That's not what's in your frames. That's not what's in your scrapbooks. So you can see right here, and you said it earlier, I couldn't really endorse Wi-Fi any better than you did. Let me show you some really great pictures from our friend Bob here. He used one of Canon's Wi-Fi cameras, and you are so right. He is able to get from behind the camera and now get his own engagement photographs. Here, how did they do this? This is one of the most popular questions I get when we talk about Canon. This is something you would see from Pinterest. Well, in Amy's pocket, and I'm going to show you in the next picture, she has her cell phone tucked in. Her cell phone then becomes the remote control for this Canon camera. And if you get close, right in this region, you can see her cell phone. You can hide it, you don't have to see it. I use an iPad to show you, but how great is that, right? Imagine the entire family with you, but now you're all in that photograph. Again, here's her cell phone, there's the evidence. That's how they're taking their engagement pictures. They didn't get the expensive photographer. They had a very natural, organic moment. They embraced it, and they did it all themselves.
It's so good. It really is. I love this camera. I think you will too. Get it for dad. Maybe everybody takes an easy pay. A grad, somebody, I remember after graduation, went traveling through Europe. Do kids still do that? I did. Give them this camera for that. A new baby is a great time to get a new camera. A new grandchild's a great time to get a new camera. Retiring is a good time to get a new camera. A Tuesday or a Saturday is a good day to get a new camera. But especially when it's on a sale price. When it's at this price, it's so interesting because I've been in the market looking for these, and I looked at this place. They're like, oh, this was returned. Maybe it has a ding on it. It was a Canon. I was like, oh, it's pretty good. And it was like $460. And I'm like, what? This is brand new, $420 less. Plus you get the extra lens and the bag, and you get free shipping and handling in 6 easy payments. Oh, by the way, If you use your Q card on this, and today's a really good day to get a Q card because you get a $25 statement credit if you open a Q card and make a purchase. But if you use your Q card, 12-month special financing. Minimum monthly payments are required within those 12 months, but no interest if paid in full within those 12 months. So use your Q card. It is a credit card you open up here at QVC. It takes about 3 minutes to do. Because at $449, it makes sense to be able to pay for it a while. The Canon camera we have that I still love, I would continue to use it every single day. I want the Wi-Fi
You want
that
the
this one
Wi-Fi.
has.
Sure you do, because think of that first communion. You want bragging rights after you share those amazing
Yeah, it took me a whole nother day
instantly.
before I could share them with my family.
Right, and I always get that when I'm out. Would you send me that picture,
Right.
Paige, when you send me that? And it becomes homework at the end of the day. See these great pictures? I can send those wirelessly to my cell phone, to my iPad, to my tablet. And let me just tell you, Canon insists on including customer service. You can call them. They can help you figure out this Wi-Fi. If you need to hold your hand, they're going to do it. It's the pros. Give them a call.
Don't miss out on this. 6 easy payments. Here's your Canon service that she was just talking about. US-based, specialist, more than 600 of them. I highly recommend this, a Square Trade Agreement. We have these for everything with an on-off button in our house, including like laptops and tablets and washer and dryer, because it really is the best warranty out there, and they get back to you with like in a day as opposed to weeks. So that's an extra purchase, but I highly recommend it. Thanks, Paige. Great to see you. Still have Doll 10. The lip that I have on, that's coming up. We still got those Skechers that I was talking about, but we've got Halo at a clear